Welcome to Engineered Rigging's comprehensive training series. In this video, we'll guide you through the safe and efficient way to use the Enerpac Strand Jacks, ensuring that you get the most out of your experience. Let's begin with an overview of the Enerpac Strand Jacks.
Enerpac Strand Jacks are powerful lifting devices used for heavy lifting operations where conventional cranes are not practical. They offer precise, synchronous control and can handle loads ranging from 17 to 1,050 tons. Each Strand Jack consists of hydraulic cylinders and a set of steel strands. The hydraulic cylinders pulls the strands through the gripping mechanism, lifting the load. Safety is paramount when operating Strand Jacks. Always wear appropriate personal protection equipment, including a hard hat, safety glasses, gloves, and steel-toed boots. Before operation, ensure the area is clear of unauthorized personnel. Inspect the equipment of any signs of wear or damage. Never exceed the rated load capacity and always follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Setting up the Strand Jacks involves several steps. First, position the jacks on a stable surface. Secure the base plates and ensure they are level. Next, thread the steel strands through the jack's gripping mechanism. Make sure the strands are clear and free of any damage. Install the lifting anchors and connect them to the load. Double check all connections to ensure they are secure.
Okay, now let's move on to the operation of the Strand Jacks. The control system allows a single operator to manage multiple Strand Jacks simultaneously.
Familiarize yourself with the control panel. Key controls include the lift and lower buttons, emergency stop, and synchronization settings. To lift the load, gradually engage the lift control. Monitor the pressure gauges and ensure the load is lifting evenly. During lifting, keep an eye on the synchronization of the jacks. The Smart Cylinder Control System ensures precise control, but it's important to remain vigilant. Regular maintenance and prompt troubleshooting are crucial for the safe operation of Strand Jacks. Begin each day with a thorough visual inspection of the Strand Jack system. Check for signs of wear, such as cracks, dents, or any visible damage to the jacks, base plates, and components. Inspect hydraulic hoses and connections for any leaks or signs of abrasion. Look for loose fittings and tighten them as needed. If you detect any fluid leaks, address them immediately by replacing damaged hoses or seals. Cleanliness is crucial to the efficient operation of your Strand Jacks. After each use, clean the steel strands to remove dirt, debris, or any other contaminants that could interfere with the gripping mechanism. Lubricate wedges, not grippers, and moving parts per manufacturer's recommendations. Proper lubrication minimizes wear and tear, ensuring smooth operation and prolonged life of your equipment. Regularly inspect the mechanical components, especially the wedge gripping system. Ensure the wedges engage fully with the strands and that there's no sign of excess wear. Misalignment or damage in this area can cause slippage and impact safety. Check the alignment of the jacks and secure all bolts and fasteners. Any loose connections can lead to operational instability and should be tightened immediately. Maintaining the hydraulic system is crucial. Regularly check the fluid levels in the hydraulic power pack and top them off as needed. Use only the manufacturer recommended hydraulic fluid to avoid system contamination. Change the hydraulic filters at intervals specified in the user's manual to ensure the system remains free of debris and operates at peak efficiency. Pre-use inspection. A visual function inspection shall be performed each shift before the Strand Jack system is used. Conditions such as those listed in PARA 1-7.8.4 or any other conditions that may be hazardous shall cause the Strand Jack system to be removed from service. The Strand Jack system shall not be returned to service until approved by a qualified person. Written records are not required for frequent inspections. Calibration ensures precise control and safe lifting.
After completing your lift, carefully lower the load and disengage your control system. Thank you for watching this training video. For more information or support, do not hesitate to contact us today.
Engineered Rigging. Your people, our equipment.